Good morning, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Wolf Creek non-slide camper made by Northwood Manufacturing. Come on inside, let me start there. This unit has the option of the Fox landing that gives you a nice step to enter. It's got the fold-out assist handle and the friction hinge door that makes it real nice and easy to get into. This is a forward bath model. We walk in, our kitchen area is right here. The overhead microwave, 3-burner cooktop, lots of drawers throughout. In the kitchen, one big stainless steel basin sink here, overhead cabinetry, plenty of storage for a small camper. This is a short bed. It's the 840 short box. Onboard solar, Kenwood stereo system, control panels here, and our furnace and air conditioning, our furnace setup here. The forward bath, porcelain toilet, large skylight. This is going to be a wet bath. The front bedroom. As you look up front there with a queen size bed, the fantastic fan above the head of the bed there for breeze blowing through, cool it down a bit. You'll notice the plug-ins and outlets for USB throughout around the bed area with the cabinetry on both sides of the bed. Refrigerator. Overhead cabinets here above the dinette area. This is the board here for the bunk bed, so it has the bunk bed option. It'll fold down and make into a bunk. This one's got the couch dinette, so it'll make into a J couch. Remove the table and it folds out into about a 6-foot long bed there with the removable table there. So everything's LED lights throughout, inside and out on this coach. Come on outside and I'll show you some exterior features. This will have the ladder to climb up onto the roof for access for maintenance. The power awning out the back. A storage box is pre-wired for a generator. This one does not have one, but it has the box, so it can be used for extra storage or even put a portable generator in there and store it. The power tongue jacks. This is an aluminum frame superstructure, so it's all aluminum framed. Built-in sewer hose here to store the sewer hose while we're traveling. The diamond plate side skirts, so it stays nice and clean and good looking throughout the term of its life. Notice the corner jacks here, how many screws hold it in. So it's very, very solid with the little catch underneath here that supports the camper. So they do a really good job supporting the 4 corners of their campers at Northwood. Notice the one-piece roll up to the top. It's all one piece, no seams, makes it a lot less chance for leakage. One piece rubber roof on top. Got the bumpers up front here. The cast iron black piping instead of the small little copper tubing. A lot less chance of it ever being pinched. In fact, I don't think you'll ever pinch it, and that black piping will last longer than we will. The shore cord plug in here. Freshwater tank fill here. Big area here for the, even though it's a small, lighter weight camper, it does hold 2 5-gallon propane tanks. And then the battery compartment here will hold 2 12-volt batteries, real easy. Gas and electric hot water heater, exterior shower, and then our connections underneath here for our solar ZAMP powered pre-wire for an A-frame solar, as well as satellite and cable ready up underneath here. Stowaway bumper, what I call, so you have both ends that open up. We can add extra sewer hose storage in there as well as all the exterior lighting being LED. Got the large gutters up here, and then we got Lenny over there watching me, and then you got the back windows out the back end here. We always have a great selection of Arctic Fox campers, whether it be the Arctic Fox or the Wolf Creek line. Wolf Creek meaning there would be the non-slide camper setup. Arctic Fox, everything they build is going to be a slide out other than their 865. So we usually have a great selection, and as well as Guaranty RV Center being Ron Nash's very first customer when he started building RVs back in the day. So a great relationship with factory to dealership relationship. Again, my name is Clay.Thompson. My direct number is 541-979-1770. Feel free to give me a holler at any time. We'll see if we can find an RV for you. Thank you and have a great day.